It's lies. It's all lies. She's about to
Get
tell
out.
you.
Get out.
It's all lies, I tell you.
All right, here's the real truth. He is jacked up. This is supposed to be a unity candle, but it's all about meeting in the middle. He's not meeting me in the middle. I had this nice little list of things that we had to get done yesterday, and he started blowing right out the door with everything that we got to do. Now, he's got every bit of our appliances on Craigslist, and he just pretty much just sold my oven right out from under me. We don't even start construction until Wednesday, and he's jacking with my brain. Lord, help us. Help us to stay unified.